This 30 days email journey hacks, I just wanted to show you a few things today and run through with you how you can get on and get started on this program as well. This is a must. It's a great program for beginners just getting onto the internet and getting your online business started. It's important that you learn to build your list in the early days, and the different types of your lists that you build is important, because the list is your asset really moving forward. If Facebook was to crash tomorrow, or YouTube or whatever, then you've still got your email list that you can work with and promote offers to and stuff like that. So I'll talk about the list in a little bit, but how do you get on to 30 days? 30 days, first of all, you need to go through and watch the webinar from Wayne, and then after that, then you can sign up for the 30 days. So if we start off with the webinar first. So in this webinar here, you can see this is the page here. This is the link that I'll put down below, so you can get on and you can watch the video from Wayne and listen to all the stuff he's got to say. And it's about how to build a clear profit plan, maximize your list building profits, and how to create a list that makes sales. Wayne's a good guy. He's been my coach and mentor for about a year, and he's the guy that's instrumental in getting me building up my email list and getting me on this path to success. There's a few testimonials below. All these people are on the 30 days program right now, and they're also crushing it as well, and they're doing a really good job. So that's it really. So you go down, and once you get to this page, then obviously you can say here, and you put in your name. I just put in here. I'll just put in anything. I'll put in just put this address in. Yeah, show me the video. So that's very simple to do, as you can see. Right, so once you get on here, you can see that the video is going to be starting any minute, and it's inside here. And let's just see how long it takes to go in. It takes a few minutes. So you go through the whole webinar part first, and then after you've done that, you do here to register. Basically sign up for the 30 days program here. So that's on here. So that's pretty cool. You can do that yourself and have a look through. We can go through here, have a little bit more, and you can see what it's about. This is what you get for the 30 days program, and this is you getting all this stuff that's included. 30 days email journey hacks program. That's one training program per day for 30 days. So you start from not knowing anything about an email list to 30 days later knowing everything about an email list, and you've got that for forever on your computer as well. So you can always go back, and you should be going backwards and forwards over the training sessions as well. Then once you've done that, within this 30-day journey hacks, you get 1,500 high quality clicks included. You get a month of Traffic Domination VIP membership, which is Wayne's special program for people that are really already into doing their lists already and really knowing about building an email list online and making money through their list as well. So that's one cool way later on that you can actually join VIP, but you can get a little taste of it for 1 month first. You can become an affiliate as well for this offer, so that you can then sell this offer on to other people and make a small commission from it as well. And then you've got a one-on-one strategy call with Wayne as well. So you can see it's all pretty good. It's a great program. And I'll just head over now to the 30 days because I'm in the program as well. And I thought I'd like to show you exactly what's included. So here you can see that now we're inside the 30 days. You've got Facebook group here, special group for 30 days, which is awesome. And the support in there is just amazing. And you can see here, if we go down, you'll see there's obviously a welcome message from Wayne, and then basically day one all the way through, you can see here, all the way through to day 30. It's a program that you go all the way through, and you do something every day, or some of them you can do twice a day, but you're going to be going backwards and forwards on it over a month, even over a couple of months. But you can get started right away, and then you go back and review the modules that you're not clear on, and it, the level of basic obviously starts from day one, and it gets just becomes more and more advanced as you move through the program. So it's really good, and rather than just trying to get on and just wing it yourself, it's really important that you have a good foundation and a good structure to start with. And this program really gives you all of that. So that's pretty good. For all of you that you don't really know about email marketing, when you're inside this program, you'll need to sign up, obviously, for your own autoresponder. And for me, you can see I'm using Aweber here. And this is my total subscribers. These are emails that I've been sending out broadcasts every day. So you can see how all that works there. And when you are already in the program, and then you can join the Traffic Domination Network, and you can see here is obviously mine from yesterday, and you can go to the offers here, and all of these offers are all CPA, so they're all CPA. So basically you promote these offers to people in your list, and as they sign up, then you get a certain commission payout every time that they were to buy something on the list. So there's no recurring monthlies on this. This is not like, some of these offers are directly on Warrior Plus and other programs as well, but with this platform here, all you do is you're getting a one-time payment. There's no recurring, so it's really quite good. It's just quickly turnover for commissions and stuff. So you can see how that all works. So that's it, really. I mean, yeah, the 30 days is, as I say, it's pretty awesome. You just go through a whole lot of stuff about getting started, how you set yourself up, type of list that you need to build and why, how you do your cash flow when you're buying links and you're buying clicks, solo ad clicks, or you're doing them organically on Facebook. Then you're increasing your clicks and you're making sales, so you have some sort of a cash flow forecast on there, which is pretty cool. Optimization, so you're making the most out of your emails. So you can optimize your emails so you can get the maximum click-through rates, and you get the maximum open rates as well, which is very important, obviously. And that was something that you need to learn, or will happen over time as you become better at it. You need to tweak and test all the time. So certain headlines might work, but you might not get any clicks. Certain headlines will work, but you still don't get any clicks. So there's all sorts of different stuff to do, but you need to get your open rates done, and you need to build your list up so that you've got a certain percentage of people inside your list will be clicking, and then from there maybe that you get those going through and clicking on the offers and making sales as well. So it's all pretty cool. Gives you quite a bit of interesting information about Facebook attraction marketing, so you can start working on your organic leads as well, which is important if you're doing an online business and you're creating an online persona and online brand. And then it goes down here in a bit more in-depth stuff towards day 20 and stuff, how to do different tricks and your reputation, how to write emails. And I've got some bonuses as well that I'll throw into this course if anybody's interested in signing up on this course. I've got some awesome bonuses, and I'll be putting those down below for everybody. That's that. And yeah, click banking is when you actually, within the 30-day groups, you're sharing clicks backwards and forwards to each other, so you're helping each other build your list. Awesome stuff again. So overall, yeah, great program, and Wayne's a super guy. He'll get on here with you, and he'll do a one-on-one with you pretty much any time that you reach out. So if you're within the 30 days and you've got any particular issue, you can book a call with Wayne. And Wayne's in the UK. I'm living in Thailand, but Wayne will you can book a call with Wayne, and you can get on there for half an hour with him, and he'll explain things to you as well. And his support group is really good. He's got a good team, and they reach out and they help you out where you can as well. So I just wish that I'd found this sort of 2 years ago, but actually Wayne didn't have it 2 years ago. Yeah, it's a great thing if you're new to getting started online. It's something that you should really consider. So without further ado, just remember to watch out for 30-day hacks. I'll put some information down below in the links for you how to get into it. Take a look, come back to me with any questions, and let's do it. And here's to your success. All right, cheers, bye.